driving through days and nights.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's Friday. Welcome back to daily vlog or weekly vlog. I haven't been vlogging. I've just been chilling. It's not been easy with baby Daniel. We're trying to sleep train, do so many things, and it's been taking a toll on me. So I've been slowing down on everything. Anyways, it's Friday evening and my class is about to start. It's starting already. So, and I'm super excited. Class is going to end next week. All my classes are ending next week. I actually started everything together in January. So everything is ending next week, and oh my god, I'll have more free time to myself. afternoon. I tried to make akara today. You guys, akara usually takes time, and the fact that I even vlogged it made me spend more time doing it. But thank God I'm done now. Just getting ready for the day.
Nothing below, nothing above. No matter how low I get, Lord, you are enough. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can separate me from your love. Lord, you are King of Kings. I'm here to give you everything. It's my whole life that I am offering. I give it over to the King of Kings. I give it over to the King of Kings. Nothing before, nothing in my hands. Even in the storm, Lord, your peace surpasses. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can separate me from your love. Lord, you are King of Kings. I'm here to give you everything. It's my whole life that I'm offering. I give it over to the King of Kings. I give it over to the King of Kings. I give.
Be my package.
The package is something.
Be my package.
The package is right here. And the people that deliver the package is there, the payment. She didn't make any French toast. Mommy,
You going to sleep?
Mommy, I can't open it.
Come and show my video.
Mommy, I cannot open it. Open it. Daniel, you're not supposed to help mommy because they're going to give me. I need the cap though. It's really good, mommy. It's really like it's pineapple and orange. It tastes really sour. But good.
Hey guys, it's the next day. Haven't been so Daniel, haven't been able to talk to you guys since morning. It's been a day, fun filled, work, everything packed in one day. Anyways, I made up so that I'll be able to take picture for Instagram, do some dress up and take picture, but oh my god, stop eating my hair, Daniel. Oh, no, 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 no. Jesus. Stop eating my hair. I thought I was going to do some dress up and take pictures, but I couldn't. Mr. Man, why did you do that? Why did you throw up on me? And you're laughing. Dada what? You guys don't believe that Daniel said dada. Daniel said dada. Eh? Dada. When you're supposed to say mama. Say mama. Dada. Say mama. Dada. Say mama. This juice is really good. I'm trying guys, so it's a combination of carrots, pineapple, and oranges. I was going to add cucumber, but my bottles, I've exhausted the bottle, and also AJ doesn't like cucumber. She saw me when I was going to do that, and she screamed that, "Mommy, don't add cucumber to it." So I did add cucumber to it. I also wanted to add apples to it, but I'm tired, you guys. I didn't even bring it out from the fridge. You guys don't believe what I'm thinking now. Tomorrow is Sunday, church day. I haven't been able to make up to church in a while now. I wish I can keep my face like this to church tomorrow. You guys see what Daniel is crying over? I hope this thing comes out from my shirt, because I know carrot leaves like a permanent stain. You like it? You love it? Yeah. Don't eat my hair, I've told you. I've told you before. I pray these things comes out from this shirt. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. Who can say that this boy doesn't eat? He's still on breast milk. Only breast milk. Okay, I think that's fair enough. I need to either put Daniel. I think I'll just back Daniel, because I need to clean up. Daniel, would you allow me to talk? Don't do that. I need to clean up the kitchen now, and yeah, go schedule my video for tomorrow. So I need to like rewatch it. I'm done editing, but I'll just rewatch it, add some music if need be, then schedule for tomorrow. So that's just gonna be it for tomorrow, for this night. Then go take my makeup off, even though I don't feel like taking this makeup off. I don't feel like taking my makeup off at all.